It was really wonderful. The experience here at Fort Hays was virtual. Everything was online, but it was exciting. Still got the help and the assistance from all my professors. My last semester was most intriguing because I believe the interaction with the students was more intense. You know, they required more for us to get into it and discuss and share ideas with one another. We actually had our blue team, I was the blue team, and we had to put together our midterm. That's never happened. So that was really exciting. A lot of different things went on through this period to get me here. And like I said, the staff here was awesome. To make the paperwork a easy process was great. I mean, everyone really, I mean, because when I thought online, I'm like, oh my God, I live in Lancaster, that's in, you know, Kansas. I've never been to Kansas, I mean, you know. And I love The Wizard of Oz. So, so it was truly awesome. It was the whole entire experience. From the beginning, I started in 2010, up until now. And I mean, the people, everybody here has treated us with royalty. Like, I mean, I feel like a princess. This was all about me, and it was so exciting. So I encourage anyone, online, yes, yes. It can happen for me, it can happen for you.